Welcome back to my channel, Living Life with Artavia Denise, and I got my package in the mail, so I decided to do an unboxing with you guys. I have two businesses. So my second business is a faith-based t-shirt company. It's called Yahweh Apparel, and I needed a heat press because I was using my Cricut, the mini heat press I was using. But it wasn't doing what I needed it to do. It works very well, but like on bigger things, the heat just wasn't hot enough to get the material in the into the t-shirts. So I got a heat press machine, stuck that on faith, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do it. So I decided to unbox it with you guys. I ordered it off of Amazon. Y'all, this thing is heavy. It was supposed to come Saturday. I'm assuming something happened with the shipping, and they informed me that it would be here Sunday, so it came yesterday. So make sure you guys can see. Got the bubble stuff everywhere, the foam everywhere. My baby is here, and she is a little excited about this phone.
Can I keep the phone?
So it comes with the instruction manual, and it's a 5-in-1. So I can do t-shirts, plates, hats, and mugs. Yeah, I believe it said 5-in-1 because it comes with 2 different size plates. And this is what it looks like on the inside.
Looks like it's not.
Oh, cool. It came with a screwdriver.
Wow, it looks so small.
I believe these are all of the extra pieces. Small piece for the hat. Okay, and these are the pieces for plate. It's all cracked up on the inside. No telling how this stuff was thrown around in the warehouse. And this is the other part that goes with the hat. A smaller plate. Big one. A big piece for the mug. I'm gonna keep these in the bag. I don't like dust and stuff. You know, just dust just naturally happens. That's that. There you go, some little lights. Screws. I'm set them on my table over here. Don't do it anymore. Leave it, sit right here. And now the big part, the t-shirt part, is in here. Y'all, this thing heavy. I gotta stand up. We got snow everywhere. So this is the other part that's in there. Just hold your body. blast, and I'm like, oh my god, the cleanup is gonna be real.
No, I know how to. I know I'm gonna clean
Look at
up
this.
with.
This stuff is everywhere. So, go to the machine.
Dun, dun, dun.
Hmm.
Dun, dun, dun.
And I got it from Colorsub.
I love fun.
Oh my gosh.
Ah! You're making the wind go. The wind of the stuff is making the snow go everywhere. Mommy, how come it's sticking? Mom, there's one on you, ready? Mom, how come it's sticking on you, but it's not sticking on me?
I don't know, maybe I'm electrical.
Or probably just sticky.
Pads. Oh, it's not. I thought it pulled out at the bottom, but it don't. So just this top plate rotates like that.
Oh, Mom, there's some in there. Mommy, look. I'm looking at this. Hold up. Look, Mom. Look. Mommy, look.
Yeah, let's see. You got can't talk so much. Cord. So I figure out where I am going to set my machine up at. Probably over here on my workstation. Put my back in the oven. That is that. So for right now, I'm going to be using it for t-shirts. So Suki, this thing is hot. When I'm using it, I'll give you the rules on it. You can't get hurt by it.
Mommy, yeah, because when I got it, I felt the hotness. I was like, why is hot? I was like, why is hot? It's not even on.
So this, I'm assuming. Look, let me get the instruction manual because y'all know how we just be trying to look at the picture and put the stuff together. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. But this is what it looks like. I'm so super excited. I have some stuff that I need to work on for my mom. Just want to make her some shirts. And I'll play with it and get it all set up and do a shirt with you guys later. Thanks for joining in with me on my unboxing of my new heat press machine. Woo woo, super excited. Also guys, don't forget to go down there and click the subscribe button, comment and like, and turn on your post notifications so you can get notifications of the new videos that we upload every week. See ya.